All right, so I'm gonna disconnect my keyboard for now. All right, put it on neutral right here because we're gonna do an upgrade on this keyboard. And the thing is, I love the keyboard, but I just hate this stupid button here. And I ended up buying a new one because I'm an old school guy. I like stuff like this. This is like a retro Nintendo NES. All right, super. It's Nintendo, just the Nintendo, the original one. So if you guys can see, it's pretty much made for any mechanical keyboard. All right. I like that it has the two buttons, and so it matches my keyboard. So that's why I ended up getting it. When I saw it, I was like, "Oh, I gotta get it." Now to get the keyboard, it's a little tricky because I gotta get the tool out, and I don't have my tool. I forgot where I left it. Come on, come on, come on! Almost there, almost there. I got it. Actually, I took out the whole thing, but it's okay. So if you guys can see, there it is, right there. All right, and I could keep this one here because I do have. Coincidentally, I just got new ones. So here they are. I just got new ones, so we're gonna plug in a new one and see how sensitive it is compared to it. I need to clean it up too. It's dirty. It is dirty. So here's a new one, but let's clean it up first. And all we got to do is place it down, back in there. That's it. Let's try it on. Yep, it's working now. So we have a little buttons here on your controller, making it cool. It's like a retro old Nintendo game. Freaking awesome. They sell many of them. You could 3D print them yourself too now these days. You don't have to buy them no more. You can just print it out yourself, design your own. But I choose something simple, made, solid, look like a real controller. Hope you guys enjoy this video.